Okay, this is activity. Please, can I have that? Come back here. I'm kicking your butt. Give me that. You're fighting your viewers. You're fighting your viewers. You're fighting your viewers. Look. You're fighting your viewers. Ah, na. You're attacking your viewers. You're attacking your viewers.
Calculation ni Mas daw per week or per month.
I'm gonna go eat.
Inaadlaw nga hinay.
What? I'm what? We do wear you helmet. Take kiss. Albasan. Helmet. Hold the camera. Don't hold the back. Stand up. And open end. Open. And hold the camera. Hold it. Headman. Look at Headman. Look at Headman. Look, this is Headman.
Oh, wait lang. Yo.
Sige. Imong kamot pa lang ang na. Keyword at now.
No.
My hair almost
Leave
got
the helmet
stuck,
alone.
bro.
Kabayad na ka dere? Berapa? So mag-layout mo.
Right go.
Marami na po ah. Marami dere. Marami. Saan na dapat?
199 ako ah.
Ano naman?
199. Palit niya akong tukbok isa. 200? Just magic! 199 ako ah.
Kita mo ba? Okay.
Guys,
Di ba yan?
Ay.
Kira din eh.
Ay.
99.
Playhouse na lang eh.
Pwede yung listan. Ay, duwa ka dalawa.
Playhouse.
Adam.
Playhouse.
Napa mo pa sa
I want to go to playhouse. Now we want playhouse.
Okay, carnival ta.
Playhouse. Playhouse.
But ang playhouse dere gamay kayo. Di mo mag-enjoy.
I want to try the
Gamay kayo lang playhouse dere.
Mag-playhouse mo karon pero unyang gabi magdaman-daman mo.
Carnival na lang ta.
playhouse.
Linaw pa inyong papa mag-carnival mo.
No.
Magsakay tag Ferris wheel tapos ihulog na to si movie sa pass. Again to sa kay Ferris wheel, okay?
No.
And then in the app, we can throw you outside.
Katawa po siya buang. Lamot na rin sa bulak.
Sabi yung manggod siya na joke.
Baka pa ano na lang. Pirate ship. Wala ano.
Ah, joke ko ito.
Hindi naman to.
Basta malabay ko ba?
Bungee jump.
Ka?
Bungee jump. Jump pala. Bungee jump ito. Ang mamba ka mga talian kami sa bridge ka. Bungee jumping.
Ana!
Pinakataas na, tapos talian mo din.
Sit down na ba?
I would rather go to the
Pag bungee jumping ta. Enjoy to, enjoy man.
daghan akong views ba?
Bagon sa ta.
Dito sa playhouse.
Okay.
Parkour ko.
Okay.
Hey! We're going to playhouse!
Entrance sila.
We're going to playhouse! We're going to playhouse. Papa, please let me go to playhouse.
Dati ba kayo mabiyagin natin?
We're going to playhouse. You wait to exit to playhouse. You ain't doing anything.
Ano kayo, magkano na ta? Magkano tayo?
Ay, nako, ibilis. It's almost done. It looks yellow, but I promise this is already.
The owner here gets angry.
Everybody's coming. Everybody's coming. What's the end?
Isan, ang kasi nagkaon ba kay mag-green na o.
I'm almost done.
Ning Cairo pod. Wa gyud mo langi sa dalon sa mga kuan. Nagtawagan sa tayo Isan. Oh, your brother, Beth?
Come. Or you not get any views. You don't wanna get any views? You want to get any views? I have 100 subscribers, bro.
Katuya po sige ibibot ni mo kami. Wag mo labi.
Ha?
Ano ni mo ki?
Pagkaon naman siya kayo para maka, ano na ta, maka, kayo siya na oras mo.
Who's in the house and look around you? Turn around. Oh no, you're not catching me. Crap. Yes.
Dali na ba ka? Ibilin si Moki lang.
Araw kasi siya lap ay si Muke para makadula na mo. Kayo sa na oras.
Wag you come, or you will not playhouse with us. You don't wanna playhouse with our viewers?
5 minutes lang. Kala na sila, no? 5 minutes lang ha, play out.
Wala pa yun sila ni Jazz.
Balik lang na.
Kaya itong mga medyas, silipin.
Bot na lang sa.
Natay kamera sa balay.
Wala pa nang pinapalitan ng gano'n. But you're slow back.
Kapangin ko sa libing. Now today we're going to have enough money for the playhouse. We will have enough money for the playhouse in the balloon. Then, okay, pagka mani kayo kaon, balito ni mo siya.
Di ba ito mga dynamite?
Mga ganito.
I want playhouse.
But playhouse is closed.
Gusto niya playhouse pero dugay kay magkaon.
You finish your rice.
Finish your rice so you will get to playhouse. I don't know what I'm gonna do when I'm done eating. It's my third recording. And get the ass out of Okay, I don't know what percentage I am, but I'm sure I'm half. I don't know what half. Okay, I'm 27. No balloons. No. Okay, pa. How did you have 12? No, you did not finish eating rice yet. Ay, nako. Balloon or playhouse? or playhouse?
Ang siya naman playhouse.
Going playhouse. No, only one. Playhouse. Okay, then go finish your food. So our viewers will have fun eating with you. Our viewers will have fun at the playhouse. So finish your food fast before our viewers gets to here. Yo! Really died. I don't know if you see that, guys, but look, that's it. They really died.
Wait. Grab my helmet.
Eat faster or we will not eat faster. I don't wanna drink juice.
Ito mo, ano?
What's that? What's that? Tubig? Juice? Pare? Wait, let me think. Anyway, it's sweet. Didn't we sit inside and it's sweet.
Yun, di makulimon.
Yan lang ka, pinagurot ng isa. Okay? Ako na lagi na ako.
It's on the playhouse. Okay, my legs are kind of cold, so can you go to the playhouse now? Like, bro, how much grass is there? No! Come back here! Come back here! Come here! Okay, turn around. That's the barrier. Okay, over here. Go to Papa. Catch big fatty. Catch big fatty. Catch big fatty. Okay, let's go